The Zonesun ZS-DTGT2B is a compact, small-scale Vaseline filling production line designed for high-viscosity paste products. Equipped with a jacketed heated hopper, piston pump, pneumatic filling heads, and a heated hose, the system maintains stable temperature throughout the entire transfer path to prevent cooling and solidification. The piston pump delivers strong cylinder-driven force to move melted Vaseline smoothly from the heated hopper to the filling heads, while the photoelectric eye ensures accurate bottle detection and precise filling control. With an intuitive touchscreen panel and adjustable filling range, the machine provides efficient, stable, and user-friendly operation for small to medium-scale production.